I'm going to start in the head, so I'm going to remove the stitch marker. Place the darning needle in those 2 stitches. I'm going to pull enough through to go around the head. And then I'm going to go into the body. And then back into the head of the last stitch that we came out of and into the next. And then the previous and the next stitch on the body. And then the previous and the next stitch on the head. And doing the same thing, the previous and the next stitch on the body, and then the previous and the next stitch on the head. So I'm just going to keep doing that until we go around the whole head. So the previous and the next on the body, and then the previous and the next on the head. And then make sure that it's tightened. And then keep moving on, ensuring that it's tight. And we'll meet back when we get to the end. And I always want to make sure that I'm following the stitch marker. So I just went into this stitch here, and then I'm going to go where the stitch marker is. So into these 2 stitches. So into previous and the next. The previous and the next. And then where the stitch marker was, the previous and the next. So just stay on the same path as the stitch markers. So here we're on the last stitches on the head. So I'm just going to go through these last stitches on the head. And then we have the 2 ends here. And we can just tie them together. So I'm going to get the end. I'm going to cut them pretty short here. And then tie them in a knot. Then I'm going to cut the end even shorter. And then tuck in this knot. And then we're done with attaching the head on our Hello Kitty. We can take out our knitting needle and see how it looks. And as you can see, the head is nice and sturdy and not wobbly. And now we could make the arms, and if you want, the legs.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, not too long. If you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you know when our next video is out. Have a wonderful day.